Hey guys, thank you so much for returning to another motivational cleaning video. This video is going to be a 2-day total disaster apartment clean with me. I'm going to be cleaning my entire apartment except for my bathroom in this video. But yeah, I had started on the first day and I just got so busy running a bunch of errands that I had to pick it up on the second day. But this is just my real life mess, and I know a lot of you guys can relate to this because it's not always easy for us moms just to keep our homes perfectly clean all the time and perfectly follow a schedule. I love a clean home just as much as the next, but yeah, I'm human, so I definitely do what I can. And so if this is your first time seeing me, hey, my name is Stephanie McQueen. I'm a married stay-at-home mom and a homeschool mom, and I love to post motivational cleaning videos and then other videos when I get a chance. But first, I'm starting in my kitchen. This is where I always start. I don't know why, but I just always start in my kitchen, and I always have tons of dishes because I'm always cooking. But if you're new here, I'd love for you to subscribe, comment, and like. And yeah, let's get into this. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I don't know if you guys can relate to this, but I feel like halfway through the week, our table just becomes a catch-all for everything. And then it just looks a huge mess because everything is piled on top of it. So I always have to clean it off. My favorite cleaner to clean off my table is the Method Wood for Good Daily Cleaner. I just love the smell of it, and it does a great job cleaning off my wood.
I've been waiting for this, yeah. It's been up on my mind, so it's hard to resist. Feeling like one of a kind. Oh, now the hard time's over. I'm for a moment. I won't look back now, yeah. And it's moving closer. I can feel it coming. Another game that I'm playing now. 'Cause it's finally here, finally here, yeah, here. Oh, 'cause it's finally here, finally here, yeah. Ooh. gazing at the night sky. And even though it's the same,
I've been asked a lot about these Essentials cleaning wipes ever since I've been showing them. I actually bought them at Walmart because there was literally nothing left on the shelves and I couldn't find any of the normal cleaning products that I typically used, and I had went to Target and everything, and seriously nobody had any of the cleaning products that I use, so I thought I'd give it a try, and they actually do work really well and they smell really nice too.
now when I look back, it's like it's another game that I'm playing. I thought to reach the sky, even though it took a while. I know that I can rest now, 'cause it's finally, yeah, finally, yeah, oh, 'cause it's finally, yeah, finally,
I see you standing there, a soothing atmosphere. Smell of your aftershave, sweet blossom in the rain. You flip around your hair as if you're unaware, but you should know that I'm looking at you. You make me feel like I'm made of colors, just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do. I do believe in lovers like me.
Now on to our bedroom. My bedroom is totally trashed. Truthfully, it's been hard for me to clean up my bedroom now that my husband has been working from home. As you saw, his desk is in the corner right there, but you know, he's back there all day, so I can't normally do cleaning, and then by the time I can, I'm just too tired because the day is over. But he actually is working in the corner as I'm filming this. I was trying to be as quiet as I could, but yeah, I definitely needed to get this picked up.
Wanna be the person that you call up when you're down. Wanna be the first who knows all of your deepest secrets. Can I be the one who wakes you up before you missed your ride? 'Cause I wanna be close to you, and I wanna show you something new. You gotta know, every day I got your back, yeah, you can count on me for that. So put your hand in mine, I will be there every day. When you're sick of the climb, I will make sure it's okay. I know you didn't ask for any of this, but we reach for the sky. Cause we're flying colors now.
My husband is currently in school and he's in a science class right now, and they sent him a box full of a bunch of lab equipment because he has to do all these different labs. So I'm just sorting through the box and trying to get everything in one box.
Try to keep the pace, but someday we will find that the world has changed, but we stay true to each other. I will always be there for you whenever you need my help. I'm taking my time to be your rock. I don't ever wanna be apart. You gotta know, every day I got your back, yeah, you can count on me for that. So put your hand in mine, I will be there every day. When you're sick of the climb, I will make sure it's okay. I know you didn't ask for any of this, but we reach for the sky. Cause we're flying colors now. Show you something new. You gotta know, every day I got your back. Yeah, you can count on me. Yeah. So put your hand in mine, I will be there every day. When you're sick of the climb, I will make sure it's okay. I know you didn't ask for any of this, but we reach for the sky. Cause we're flying colors now. Cause we're flying colors now.
Now on to Genesis's room. Her room is totally trashed as well. Normally it's totally her responsibility to clean up her room and I don't clean her room, but today I decided I was going to clean up her room and then I wanted to be able to vacuum and shampoo her carpet because I'm going to be slowly shampooing all of our carpets. But yeah, she definitely has so many toys everywhere, and I also wanted her to donate like a few things off because her birthday's coming. So I definitely wanted to create some more space in her room. And then also that blue cord that is all over the floor is our Ethernet cord so that my husband can work. But unfortunately, the only place to hook it up is in my daughter's room. So it has to be ran from her room to our room, which totally sucks. But yeah, it just is a mess. And I don't really know how to make it look any better because it's so long. And yeah, I don't even know.